In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in Google Docs using the new method for 2025. Let's dive right in by heading to Google Docs. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Docs by entering the URL into the address bar or simply searching for it in a search engine. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, click to open a new document. You can do this by selecting either a blank document or an existing one if you're looking to add a flowchart to a current project. Now that you have your document open, move your attention to the top menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, hover over Drawing and then select New. This action will open up a drawing canvas where we can begin piecing together the flowchart. Once the drawing tool opens, click on the Shapes icon, which will give you a variety of shape options to choose from. Start by selecting the round rectangle for the main components of your flowchart. Click and drag on the canvas to create your shape. Repeat this process as necessary for each component of your flowchart. With all your shapes drawn, go ahead and add arrows by clicking on the arrows option under the shapes menu. Select arrow down or any appropriate arrow style needed and drag them to connect your shapes, illustrating the flow of information. Next, you'll want to add text to each shape. Click the text box icon and then click inside a shape to type any necessary information pertaining to that part of your process. Repeat this for each shape so that every aspect of your flowchart is clearly labeled. Once you have completed designing your flowchart to your satisfaction, click on Save and Close. This will insert your finished drawing into your Google Doc. For those looking for an alternative method or additional design options, consider using Canva. Head over to Canva's website and in the search bar, type in flowchart. You'll see a range of template options. Pick one that suits your needs by selecting Customize this template and begin editing by adding your own shapes and text. Once you're happy with your customized design, locate the Share option and choose Google Drive from the sharing methods. Insert your finished Canva flowchart back into your Google Doc. Head back to your document, click on Insert once again, select Image, and then Drive to find and insert your flowchart. And that's all it takes to create a flowchart in Google Docs or Canva. Now you have your flowchart neatly positioned in your document, ready to be shared or printed. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found today's guide helpful for your next project.